Hello students, welcome to our class 8 computer lesson. Today we will learn about algorithms and flowcharts, which are very important in computer science. Before writing any program, we need to understand the problem and the plan solution. This is where algorithms and flowcharts help us. Let us first understand what an algorithm is. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. It consists of a sequence of instructions that are followed to get the desired results. For example, let us take a simple example of making a tea. Step 1. Boil water. Step 2. Add tea leaves. Step 3. Add sugar and milk. Step 4. Stir and serve. This is an algorithm because it gives clear steps to complete a task. Now let us look at the characteristics of a good algorithm. A good algorithm should be clear and easy to understand. Finite. It should have an end, step by step, and effective and accurate. Now let us understand what a flowchart is. A flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. It uses different symbols to show steps in a process. Flowcharts make it easier to understand complex problems. Let us look at some common flowchart symbols. The first symbol is the start and the end symbol, which is oval in shape. It shows the beginning and end of the process. The second symbol is the process symbol, which is a rectangle. It represents a step or action. The third symbol is the input-output symbol, which is a parallelogram. It is used to take input or display output. The fourth symbol is the decision symbol, which is a diamond shape. It is used to make decisions such as a yes or no. Flowcharts are very useful because they help us first understand logic easily, second find errors, third plan programs before coding. Now let's think about a question. Which symbol is used for decision making in a flowchart? Take a moment and think. The correct answer is diamond shape. Now let's quickly recap what we learned today. We learned what an algorithm is and how it helps in solving problems step by step. We also learned about flowcharts and their symbols. Great job learners, see you in the next lesson. Keep learning.